I'm so obsessed with my JLab headphones that I got a second pair in white, so let's open them up. But alright, so this is what it looks like when you open the box. Look how cute they are in there. So it comes obviously with the headphones, hello, and then it comes with the respective color that you choose charging cord. But you literally don't even need this because the charging literally lasts for hours and days and months. The first time I ever got my JLab headphones, I literally charged them for like, I don't know, 15 minutes because I was running out the door to go to the gym when I first unboxed them, and the charge lasted forever. Like I wear them 8 hours a day at work and then 2 hours at the gym, and I didn't have to charge them for like 4 weeks. I'm not kidding. Besides the battery life, the noise canceling on these is so good. I don't know why anybody is saying otherwise. Nobody can literally hear what I'm listening to, and I listen to a true crime podcast all day. So if my coworkers can hear me listening to a true crime podcast, I probably wouldn't work there anymore. Besides the noise canceling mode, there is a be aware mode. So you could do the be aware mode when you're like taking your hot girl walk or something if you want to hear the footsteps coming up behind you. But if you are in like an office setting or you're at home cleaning and you just want to do complete noise canceling, it's just so amazing. Another thing that I really love is that I have them connected to my MacBook and to my iPhone. So if I'm like watching something for work on my MacBook, I can listen to it from there. And if I open my phone and start scrolling on TikTok or see something where I need to hear the sound, it automatically switches over. And they're super easy to just fold up, and they fit in any purse or bag. I literally just carry these in my purse with me, so I take them everywhere that I go, and now I have 2 pairs, so I'm so excited! So do not miss out on the coupon in the flash sale stackable deal right now. You guys have to try these. I promise it will be your best headphone purchase ever, and you do not have to go in debt to buy these headphones.